Hello? Have you sent the money? Young man, send the money and stop wasting my time.
So this guy never sent that money. Don't worry, this evening we will match him.
Good afternoon, everybody. Daluno. Ẹ káàárọ̀ o, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kúṣẹ́ o, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. Sannun ku ko ina kwana lafiya, ya gajiya, ba gajiya. Sọ ní àná ẹ̀kọ́ ụmụnne lọtọ n'ụrụ ụnụ arụkwa mma bebe I am in a wrong place.
Go back. Come here! Say, come here!
Who be this man?
I said, who are you?
I am that I am.
What? You say what?
Calm down. Please, maybe I am in the wrong place. I am looking for my brother.
Who is your brother?
Akonebuaju Eduzo. Is it your father?
Are you my father's brother?
Yes, Chief Imo Worldwide.
Wow.
That lives in Cameroon. I just came back this morning.
Wow. Okay, you know him?
He's my uncle.
Wow.
Yes. Oh.
How are you, uncle? How are you, uncle?
I'm good. Are you the last child?
Yes, uncle.
Oh, Mamo. You people scare me. You guys I'm sad. I am na lions then. No.
Wait.
Let me pack it here.
No,
Here is a baby. No, but here. To sell it off is not going to be okay. Thank you. Oh, you scared me. Oh, I was thinking I have fallen into lions den. I didn't know. Because I go. Even if I have stayed long outside, I know this is my brother's house. No. Oh,
okay,
how is your? Who among them is your brother again?
Oh, uncle, this is my senior brother, my elder brother.
Chico be of yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, wait, Chico.
Yes.
Now you be this. Hey, now you go carry your mama and pompo. Chico. This is where your list on the black. All the kim name here, Chico Robi. And what when he has here, him not going to the road to school. I will hang around. Anyway, only keep on a one. Who is he?
Oh, you can't work. I have Ratty.
Ronya.
Ratty. As a man.
Ratty. Hey, what a Ratty. No, no.
Welcome.
Thank you. Hi. I just returned. I said, let me come and see your father.
Yeah,
since he's not around, I will be taking my leave. Tell him I am around. You should come and see me. No, thank you. Oh, the guests are your friends.
Yeah, this is my girlfriend.
Oh, you can't. You want name.
Oh, no, but I'm not you know. Oh, my God.
Oh, you can't. Oh, you can't. Or you want you okay?
Oh, you want you go okay? Or you want nigga okay? That is a girlfriend to your brother, friend, and girlfriend to your brother.
Yes.
And you when your own on the way.
Oh, you want what I'm hobby?
Okay, three. We dey can't about ourselves. Tell your father I'm around.
Okay.
Please, what do you people do for a living?
Oh, I'm a tax collector. I'm in charge of the whole community. Anybody that is building house in the community have to pay me before you start building.
Ooh, agboro.
Oh yeah.
Upgraded agboro. Hey, yeah. Oh, you agboro. No wonder. Hey, you look it. Dalo. Oh, and you, Chikobi.
I'm not as a cabman.
Oh, Nyoba. Hey, people are making money with Oba in America, UK, even the place Cameroon where I come from. Oba people, if the person's head, oh no, bruise carry woman, put forth. You go waste the whole money. But if woman know they manage, you will save a lot because women will make you spend much. Because this is good. The chic at least rare come. Nam you when
Abi as a man.
as is a man.
Yahoo boy.
Yahoo boy. As is a man. They do Yahoo, they sell Aziza.
No. I used to pick money for Yahoo boys. Both international and Nigerian.
Local.
Yeah. They there.
Uncle Mo updated uncle.
Nagaima.
Okay, man, Uncle Mo.
You be Yahoo boy.
Yeah.
And you are happy to announce it to the whole world. You know, Maggi, they do them. Everybody they do them on code. They hide themselves because country no good. And you are proud to see how excited you are. See if God just buttered your bread. I be Yahoo boy. And they pick money for frustrated waiting.
We know they even see the money they always talk about. When they see it.
Okay, look.
Let's pick up action.
See, as you are proud to announce your stupidity. People where even they pick the main money, you can never hear them come out and then tell the whole world that they are. Now all these people where know they get money, where they end up sending money to people in vain. And then they announce, I be Yahoo boy, I be they spoil things for people where get help. Yeah. If really you are what you say you are, you will hardly know it for those who have sense. Nobody that is not into one or two business. But when you bring out yourself, the whole world will see you. Okay, fine. If I give you 10 million naira now, what will you do with it?
Uncle, Moa, 10 million. Oh, I do go na manu. Beburu no mwa gawa na club, gawa na mewe dorime.
Nukuku.
Obodo ni na amara makam. The whole world will know me.
One way is go do tattoo. Be sharp.
Nkuta tattoo na hum nile, ko tattoo na hum nile, ndo oto nwoke. Kwụrụ ọtọ ka nwoke, ịma ka nwoke si adị. Uncle man adị m ihe ga-eji 10 million naira mee.
Ọ ma ihe ụgbọ na-agba na.
Uncle.
Amala.
I can make go do dorime sharp one.
Nnukwu dorime.
Two bundle like 1 million.
Jikode na ọ chọrọ ise ndị ego na ka anyị mara kwe.
Uncle ji ego cash.
Hey! Ebele makụ ụwa. Ụwa mee. Ebele makụ ụwa. Ụwa mee. Ụwa m onye mụtarala ya ịsha anyụ n'ọhịa. Ụwa m onye mụ ịgarala ya ịsha mụ n'ọhịa. Ụwa gbaruwo ka mmiri. This world has turned to no, in fact, you people have scattered the world. Just listen to yourself. Can you people hear yourself talk? 9 months mad. If they give you 10 million naira, the first thing somebody's son will open his mouth and say, I am a club. I am Burunwa. I am set and tube. I am Watu Bantaya. Thunder will fire you. Caterpillar warrior you. What happened to your sense? Because the little I know, your father is very sensible and reasonable. My mother did not raise a scallywag. He raised men of timber and caliber. But maybe you went outside and joined bad friends just like this. Best of the same feathers. What happened to investment? What happened to doing business? Or do you think as you are getting that money today, every day, it will continue like that? Don't you know time waits for nobody? And every man that God creates has his or her time. Okay, God, make good use of it. Also make a haste where why sun still shine. How English, how die when? Could be a woman. So where was he here to put here? What happened to buying landed properties? Go to the home ventures and see where youths have trooping in buying lands. acres of land. How much 2 million naira? Piam has 1 land. Deme. Can you give me 2 million? Give up one VBL. I got on a gotch. Or vanity upon vanity. What haven't you seen before? I don't, but the only thing I can make no time. It may not be your 10. It may not be your 10. Kaya. And I'm watching the account. Anybody know one my account in my piano. Since you people cannot learn. Now listen and listen very attentively. Any money that comes your way, forget the email day before they born, and the email will still be here. All of us will go. Oda agwa apata atufo adeji aboka. You dey hear of Big Kubana, you dey hear of Chief Priest, you dey hear of Omo na Nife, you dey hear of Akunye Gwaje, you dey hear of so many people that you used to hear their name. They didn't start that dorime when the money is coming apoko. They started doing their dorime when the money is, even now that they're doing dorime, they are still using their head. All every money that comes their way, why? All these things you see, once your money finishes, they will jump out and jump into the next cab. You want your Uber. You know, you know Uber. On your Uber, you can't go back and make you punish. She go change her. And then you get tax collected. You not tax on your not collecting. You not tax, she will be collecting. At the end, Okoreru Hero Warokoda. Ikukubo like this, I'm not only talking to you, I'm also talking to all that is listening to me. There is every sense in investment. Whatever you invest, over 1 naira you may invest today in anything, property, you will yield from it tomorrow. You got a coin, you also a give you our you get 10 million. You get a set tattoo. Anybody alone was say, forever. Stupid children. Open your ear now and listen. What I see while sitting down, even if you climb on top of this Padova hotel, you will not see it. A word is enough for the wise. Onyamarasu, yaso nikwe. Magama hasu, gaso ya nala. Okukula ko ham non. Do not say I did not warn you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
God bless you, sir.
Change.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, come
Oh,
on, look. Nani. What is your own work? Point one. Go back to point 0. Because point 1 will liquidate you. Point 1 will kill you and destroy you. Igbo shishi, ni mota. It will not help you. It will rather destroy your mental health. And before you know it, your own is gone. Nobody will help you in this state. But if you present yourself as a sweet smelling offering, when somebody look at you and say, oh, this person has future, you are doing something already. What are you doing? This year, anime map body, anime boot plank, and they hit people. Nobody will think of helping you. Man, if you start maybe with wheelbarrow, if you start maybe with Okada, you say, I need your help. I say, what are you doing? You say, I'm into wheelbarrowing. You say, oh, if I buy a cab, give this person. He's driving wheelbarrow. He will make profit and progress. Or support okay. But like this, from Omunze, these are Omunza. So change and take a bold step. Any money that enters your hand, go to property, go to the home, and then invest. Shift, let me take my ride. Onye hu gba che na always afọju isi bele lekwe kwota afọgum lekwe ihe agba afọgum na agba ojomma le ya wa yagara ya wu mehe. You people should think of what to do with your life. Oh. There's no time wait for nobody. Everybody now in this country is supposed to open his or her eyes, make good of every little opportunity you have. Dan yi gbara ahụ efu yi pusi akwa adawa afọ. Hold this thing, let me climb.